Umutadiuta, Chetibo, and Igbo lingo joined forces this holiday season to spread Igbo language and Christmas cheer. We started in November by bringing a family event to Maryland, USA that encouraged families in the diaspora to speak Igbo at home. Then we held a raffle to raise money for orphans at the Red Cross Society Orphanage in Owerri, Nigeria, where, thanks to your generous donations, we raised $540 and celebrated 2 winners of some of our best Igbo learning products from all 3 companies. Congratulations to Ife O and Pascal E, whose prizes were shipped to their homes. In December, we brought you our Egu Ekeresimesi music video, which celebrates Igbo culture and encourages Igbos in the diaspora to remember those back home. Finally, we capped off our holiday festivities with a trip to Owerri to visit the orphans and deliver Christmas cheer to those who may not be able to celebrate with families like the rest of us.
Nanti Igbo lingo, ayo dapat orang. Biasa kan berhijrah deh, wow. Ayo sekarang dia kan Nigeria Red Cross model expedition. Ayo mana? Ayo ni Christmas. Akan dibuat. Ini ada apa? Jual ni dua saja. Biasa ayo dia. Ayo ni Christmas.
Keep watching this space for more events and videos celebrating and promoting the Igbo language and culture. God